Purnami, I was able to feel a very strong presence of her soul, sir. Actually, sir, before PVH and all, we since I had problems, we went to Tantric, sir. Sorry, we didn't know he was a Tantric. We just knew he was some Baba. We went, sir. Before also, you got us out from this, the last Purnami, because though I was sitting for your blessings, every blessing, and I was reading lot of forgiveness, it was not going. And you said, and he also had our image. So from the last few Purnamis, he was sending these souls. The last to last time Purnami, when I contacted you, you said don't come back. But this Purnami again, I was able to feel very strong presence of a soul. And I read lot of forgiveness, and now I'm not able to feel the presence.
Madam,
Yes,
are you feeling it now or no?
right now, no, sir. But again and again, it is coming. And sir,
What do you mean by
yesterday also I
right
was
now?
able to
What do you
feel.
mean by right now?
Right now, I'm not able to feel it, sir. But yesterday night, I was able to feel it.
Yesterday
Again.
night.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday night was new moon, huh?
Okay.
Yesterday was new moon, madam.
Sir, but yesterday night I was just able to feel thoda, sir. But every Purnami I'm able to feel a strong presence of the soul,
Madam,
sir.
wait, madam.
Sir.
Yesterday night was dark, new moon, okay?
Okay, sir. Okay,
You understand?
Sir. Yes, sir. Okay,
I'm
sir.
saying, madam, listen to me, madam. Sometimes things don't just go away like that. They are very strong ones.
Okay, sir.
Sometimes you people also pray to some god, some cool dev and all. And
Yes.
this could be those things, madam.
My
They don't
father
go.
does that. Yes, sir.
Sometimes it's not about you. Sometimes there in the room, office, and something is happening.
Okay.
It's not you, madam. You understand? Sometimes the
sir.
house can be
Sir.
negative, and this can also happen.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, before PVH, sir, I was into pranic healing. And, sir, you might have heard about this meditation called Twin Heart meditation in that.
Yeah.
So I thought it is just about blessing the earth and all. So I thought it is good, and I do practice that. Like there are Aratic meditations also, where you meditate on the pineal gland and all. Though I did the course, I've stopped doing after PVH. So I just do Twin Heart meditation.
No. Did it, madam, wait, madam. Did it help you?
Yes, sir. It was kind of helping me, but when you said that when we close our eyes, we might go somewhere.
Yeah.
We don't know where we are going. So out. Hello, sir. Just now the power just went off, so that is why the call
It's
got
okay.
dropped.
Just tell me what happened, madam. Now, when during the full moon and new moon, or just full moon only?
Just full moon, sir. And another thing also, sir. Last time when my request came, you said in my past life I was an Nagori Tantric.
Yes.
And sir, because
Didn't I speak to you?
Yes, sir.
I spoke to you after
was
that.
20
I
years
spoke
old.
to you after that, right?
Yes, sir.
We spoke to you and we removed whatever we could, right? Remember, of the phone.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And then when did you next feel?
Then this December and the Purnami that happened, the house, I could literally feel the house became very dark. The energies were very dark.
Okay, but how did you feel? Now, leave the house alone. How did you feel, madam? That's more important to me.
Sir, generally when a soul comes in my house, like many times it has come, whenever it comes, I'll see an earthworm or some centipede kind in my bathroom. But this time it came, like 5-6 came and attacked in my dream. And generally I get up very fresh in the morning. I was unable to get up at all. And generally when all of these come, sir, I go through astral trips and all.
A lot? One
A
time
lot.
or two times a day, or just once a day? Once of that time?
Whenever I sleep.
Whenever you sleep.
Yes.
You married, madam?
I'm just 20 years old, sir, no.
Yeah, I think I spoke to you, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And some, sir, from again and again, it is. I'm able to feel it, sir. It is coming, bolke. And again also, sir, day before yesterday, another sentiment came.
You mentioned pranic healing. What do you do in pranic healing?
Sir, I just do meditation, sir. Again, I felt another connection just came just because of the meditation.
Why you do all this meditation, madam?
Sir, that it gives me proper energy, sir, and I feel like it is like a service because we are blessing the earth.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
not doing anything for my own sake. It is just for the earth.
Madam, the one someone talking, you just follow only lah. That's all. You do nothing lah. That guy will be talking, you just follow. Correct?
Sir, but I also feel like doing, sir.
Huh?
I just do it because I feel like doing a service. I don't. I cannot go out and do so. I just bless the earth, bless all the nature beings. I do
Madam,
like
they
that.
don't teach about nature beings in pranic healing, for your information.
Yes, sir, they don't. After seeing PVH, I started blessing them also.
Don't get confused, madam. They do something else. They are promoting a man, okay, madam?
Yes.
They are promoting a man, okay? His voice is there, you all follow the man. The man say, put your hand down, go here, that's all,
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yes, that's true.
They don't, you just follow the man and they promote the man. The man will give everything, talk to the man, this man, that. Correct or not?
Yes, yes,
They are promoting a man in the name of a guru, whatever they call it, grandmaster or master. That's all they do, madam.
Yes, grandmaster. Yes, sir.
And they are very famous in India because Indian people all want some guru.
Yes, sir.
Even with no guru, they think they cannot find God. It's already inscribed in your mind, in your head. No guru means
Yes,
no
sir.
God, so must find a God. So everybody find a guru.
Yes, sir. But sir, from many months, sir, especially from June, May, June, sir, there has been a terrible inflow of the souls in our house, sir. I don't know, because of my past life, I have to face all of this karmically.
Madam, all your
I don't
past
know.
life has been removed. Understand?
So I don't have to face the karma of that.
Madam, you have started doing good things now. You see, whatever past life disturbing you, we stopped them. You understand? Not karma.
Yes,
Past life
yes,
connection
yes.
done. So now you got to go
Yes,
and do
yes.
good and make good karma. Understand?
Yes, sir, yes.
Your karma is not
Yes,
gone. Just that we told the past life, leave her alone. At least she has forgiveness. We
Yes.
send you back. So now it's up to you to
Yes,
do the
sir.
good things, madam. Not that. Understand?
Yes, sir. I will do, sir.
So now you got to start
And
doing.
sir,
I
and
don't
sir,
see at the
whenever all
moment.
these
I
kind
don't.
of souls come, because I don't want to be dependent on you like this, sir. Because I don't want you to waste your time on me, sir.
That's why I'm
Don't-
telling everybody to follow the teaching, do the forgiveness. You must do it properly,
Yes,
madam.
sir.
You don't do properly, nothing's going
Yes,
to happen.
I'm reading like anything, sir.
Okay,
I'm literally crying, sir. How much I
madam.
have to do?
Okay, I'm not saying you're not doing. I'm saying do it. Still have the full moon. It's not going to easily go, but when it goes, it'll be gone.
Yes, sir. How much more I have to face? I don't understand, sir. Every one day also I'm not getting proper this one, sir. Some
Madam.
other astral rape is happening, or some soul is coming.
Madam, I know, madam. I'm not saying no.
Yes,
I say
sir.
be strong. A time will come. This all be gone. So you got to keep on doing. Sometimes you got
Yes,
thousands
sir.
of people. So we are doing it now. Now I don't see any connection at all. Okay. Now,
Okay,
if you
okay.
go to this healing, that healing, all we cannot help you, madam.
Yes, sir. Yes, that's true.
we
So
teach.
then, sir.
Madam,
Then
we
one
teach
thing,
about the
can I be
divine.
blessed
We
on my
teach,
own?
madam, we teach about God.
Okay,
Okay, the Creator.
Okay, sir.
These people don't mention these names.
Yes, sir.
It's all a man.
They don't.
This man will do this, this man do that. And they don't know about black magic, they don't know white magic, but they create white magic.
Nothing. Nothing, sir.
They
do
don't know.
anything like that.
They don't know how to do it also. They don't remove it. So they say healing. And they won't focus on healing. They'll focus on meditation, this, that,
Yes,
and they
sir.
go higher. That's all.
That's true, sir. That's true.
They don't
build
focus.
a guide and they keep healing as their profession, sir.
What, madam?
Even I was like that. Like, they keep healing as their profession. They charge lots of money, and then they do service.
Exactly.
How can they take so much of money and then they do service?
That is whatever service, name of people, so more people can come, madam. So more people can tell, oh, they're doing service, oh, they're feeding the poor people, but they're taking money here, they don't know. Oh, they're doing service, they cut away the whatever negative energy, madam.
Yes, sir.
So I'm
Yes,
saying,
sir.
please be smart,
Yes, sir. PVH has changed my thinking, sir. Even I was like that.
and then you still go and do the
Sir,
meditation
this
about how to help you, madam.
Yes, sir, that's true.
Whose meditation that? Whose meditation that? Whose meditation that?
Sir, it was some master, sir. It was chosen by Grand Master.
Madam,
That-
it's just a Saint Francis of Assisi. Okay, madam.
Yes, yes, yes.
The fellow was a rich man, son. The fellow give everything and became a monk.
Okay.
You want to be a monk?
No.
Then?
Okay. Okay, 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 okay.
So
Yes, sir, I
please,
get it.
please think about it, madam. Don't simply go and sell,
Yes,
go and
sir.
save his energy. It may be doing to good people. You all sit down, just look around. The voice will come, take your hand up, please. Look around, and then you say that you're just participating, madam. You're just being used as an instrument. You are not. You're being used as an instrument. You're not the instrument,
Then who is the instrument?
madam. He's the instrument. You are being the instrument. You have been made use as an instrument. That's all. You're just a puppet. You just follow something flowing. What you may feel is flowing. That's all. Maybe it's not flowing at all.
It's not flowing.
You may feel it's flowing, madam. It may not be flowing.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
We all can feel a lot of things, madam.
Yes, yes, yes.
I can make you sit down and I say think of a lime and all, and suddenly your mouth will start to water. Where's the lime? Where's the lime?
Yes, yes, yes.
Where's the lime? Okay, think of a cat. Madam, think of a cat.
Okay, sir.
Think you're carrying the cat.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Now, what's the color of the cat?
It's in skin color. Just,
What's its skin color?
normal skin color and white stripes.
Where it come from?
Just came from my door.
No, madam, it's all in your mind, madam.
Yes, yes.
Think of a platypus.
Okay, okay.
Think of a platypus.
Okay.
What's the color of the platypus?
It's just blue.
Blue. Where go blue color platypus, madam? What's a
I don't
platypus?
know what is it. I don't know, sir.
Because you don't know, you cannot imagine, madam.
Yeah. Yes, 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 sir. I get it. I get it. I get it.
You understand? So it's all in the mind. Someone say, put your hands up. Now the energy is going to flow. So you automatically flow, madam.
Okay.
Why do you think when you go to all the centers all, they put all incense, they put a smell, they put a nice twang, nice music all to enhance you, madam? Isn't that what you see in every of the movies? When it's very so secular, very spiritual, you put incense, you put some nice noise. Yes or no? You automatically, your mind get enclanced in that, right? That the smell of the incense will go to their brains and create something.
Yes, yes, yes.
That doesn't mean it's God, huh?
Yes, sir. Then if we do it on our own by our own words, even that won't work.
Why? You must get guidance from somewhere, madam.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, sir.
You must get guidance from somewhere,
Okay.
and then it'll work, madam.
Okay, 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 okay. Okay, sir. I got it. I understood.
So
Okay,
sometimes
sir.
we don't even have to bless. First of all, we start by doing good things first. Simple thing. Do good things first. Help
Yes,
people
sir,
around. Help people around us first.
Okay, sir. I will 100% do it, sir.
Yes. You do it as a business, madam. There's not going to be any divine energy flow.
Yes.
It's a business. That's all. You pay money, you go. That's all. I don't care. You pay money. I do for no money. I don't. Will anybody will heal somebody with no money? Will they heal somebody with no money, madam? Will these people you call them? Will they heal if they got no money?
No.
Will they teach you if you got no money, madam? Will they teach you if you got no money?
No.
Huh?
No, no, no.
Money first, then teaching, right?
Yes, yes.
Every spiritual person like that, huh? There are few who don't. I'm not saying no, huh? So I'm
Yes,
saying,
yes,
so
yes.
please be careful. Don't get done, huh? Now you're fine.
Yes, sir.
Be strong. Do divine fire. Don't go and get stuck here. Don't close your eyes. I tell people, don't do meditation, huh?
Okay, sir. I won't.
Take the wand and
Thanks
bless
a
the
lot,
world.
sir. Thanks a lot.
Take the wand and bless the
Yes,
world.
sir.
You're a young girl. Your past life may
Yes,
be
sir.
messed up. You have come here to balance your past life karma.
Yes, sir.
Focus on that.
Okay, sir. I will, sir. I will do it.
Focus on trying to do good for mankind, madam. Okay?
Yes, sir. I will do it, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome, madam.
Thanks.
You are fine. There's nothing wrong
Thanks.
there. If you have anything like
Yes.
that, then you call me.
Yes, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot.
Okay, bye.